no hayanaleha shenayalanu esalahelayenu ahaluna o salaheshua eluaha nayanahi shohalaheshu halaha sihatu nayashe Nayashuno halaka yetunaya laha Hesunahe leshu haya sula Ishano halumahe Esulatu Isatu halamane Shesu kalanoha Yahyel Maya Mayane Mayane Shu Hakahela Munaloma Lahetu Shemana hela kuhela nayahe lumaya kuha nayahe lamayahe Sunaha Shela nahila kulauku suhatu Ea kotea masapo hama kora. E pohaka neato kia pato soto shukwa. Hiami awala katea mbaka se alonge abala ko seta shiaka. Setora seba sanu tora shogo patara shima. Elo keama leto. Lengo de seba shnura ke la kadera seba. Elo kora se hamalaka hia malokwa. Alatea lisa malokala kianaki. Invite and embrace and allow the sound of color to activate yet another layer of light to penetrate the shadows. Nia sotos miaroko satos niawa hana. Hase halaki mea koraki. Tokora sepelo hamiko ente kala seto soporo koya mokoya. Shemi kiawa lani anakwa. Sopora sepala kania waka tosha. Mia kotasa. Siamoko asati shimawa. Allow the sound of color to activate your own sacred circuitry, your own sacred geometry. Akoy tepiasani palakoya. Shanika wania walahe marowaya sateke. Sekea na mawahala niao. Paso nakwala. Pashtoya miroku kefosoto. Eseti samiwa alati. Seta shiawa. Anaya halumaha. Lumaya. Luyaha. Henu. Esuha. Nyakoya saneshewa. Activate the prism. The matrix within you of light and sound and color and vibration. As a tree sheds its leaves that no longer serve you, illuminate and shed the shadows. Niakwatia makwa. Satosimika walakatesha mia wa halakatisa. Leave behind the shadow that you do not wish to follow you. Send it love, for it has served you well. Mia soto simi aroko amala. Shekoya mala sate ana wakate. Tekea sato somoko atokia. Munaya hela mahaluha. Leheno lehe. Shenaya hela nuha. Lehanuhala. Inaya hila hunu. Honahaye hunaye ha. Shiakote bosonia wuhuna. E wuhuna bohani wakoyoro shateba kora saba. Entuha. Soto sokua manura. Shibura se kora se mahawanu au niaruake. Niarua koro sumbo goshnua helangi ajase. Supura suma hewala he maruku la gera samba gasha. Sohoko pantora sega sanapola hala. Miatuya mohala kotoye buku eniba satosuma. Elukutu atose garsiram balanduroso. Amukora sheba sandarsi hamaru menayawala. Eto supur sumuru supa yanari wala kendera sono. Shukura si borosuniara si wala hendoroku. Poshona siwa. Awaken your universe. Miyasoto Shmira Wakaliyama. Awaken moment by moment to the new universe that is you. Miyasoto Shmira Sotori Bagilaketera. Etori Miawalake Atayamawa. Sopora Samola Aluka Mokora Separo Shanea Walahi. Allow these light codes to enliven. Open the portals within you that activate this knowing that you are universe, that you are immense, that you can and do speak to your guides, those that walk beside you, have always been beside you. These light codes activate this remembering, this knowing that your galactic families are here with you, that your spirit guides are here with you. Seek within. Activate within. You carry that with you, which you need in every moment. Your moment is never more than you, bigger than you. For you are the creator of this moment, this now. No so puahana balakoya bagayara keseke. Se nuhala miawa katasha. Hatasaniawalate. Samoakate. Niwala morakatewa. Hashakaniawala so. The whispers are your higher selves, your spirit guides, your angels, your galactic families. They're here with you, inside of you. Activate this knowing, this remembering. Amora katia saniso. Kamikador somayawa kamalo kasasha. Mikwa anatati. Light is sound, is color, is frequency, is vibration, is information. As you are light and frequency and sound and vibration. Like the sun's rays, you are scattered across the multiverse. There's a piece of you in everything. If you wish to experience God, experience Source, then you must go within. Spend time with the trees and the sun and the elements and the grasses and the flowers, for these all contain and sing the sound of color, the sound of light, the sound, the frequency of sacred geometry that interact with your own sacred circuitry, for you are a computer for which there is no compare. The human cannot even begin to develop anything as great as itself, for it is yet to see itself in its own greatness. Has yet to value and appreciate this infinite creation that you are. Bathe in the healing sounds of color, for this is you. You are made of this. You are made of light and sound and color and healing. You are a prism. Sono paionia walako. Shane karakiama wahalu nadakoso. Samuro seisha. You are a symphony. Yawalakina. Esture sepo konapoko shawa. Sania walasi. You are listening, joining the sacred symphony. You experience it as the listener and the participant. Halanehu lanu sheshahe seheluna seluhaso soha. Experience the delight of your own expansion. Intend to speak to your cells, your universe. Demand your will of it, for it is simply a reflection of your vibration. Moment by moment, you select the parallel reality in which you desire to experience. You vibrate in a wave of frequency and color and light. The higher your vibration, the higher of your awareness, the expression of creation, of creativity, of self-love and self-acceptance creates a vibration to enter a portal of higher vibration, a portal to the parallel reality in which all that you desire already exists. It is already there. Step into this portal. Activate this knowing within you. For you are the sound of color. You are the light of love, containing the power of creation. For all of you contain the power of creation. All of you. Moment by moment, you create your reality by creating the vibration, the energy flowing with your focus, your true desires vibrating, demanding your universe to respond by way of reflection, that you may discover moment by moment the color of your own frequency, the reflection of who you are in that moment, what your core vibration is sending out. Send a song of bliss and healing and gratitude. And this is the song that you will hear in its reflection. Sonot piawahe nawa kalake sataso rashne walakunda pekorase pakora samarohama esho hamayomate setura samora kandikia se halani la katarasima lokora somoro goya malahana sati kanyanana wala kotikia tashnara. You are always a reflection of your current vibration. The parallel reality on which you focus generates this vibration. Simo kwa kele amawa katesa, sekora simelo amila kayen suniawa. Akora semo wahana niawa katoli simoko, shokora sepalo hena mala kwa yamanasa. Pietor sumura kunde kiara. What is your core vibration speaking? What song is it singing to the universe? Miara miawata saniwa kona. Pistono shoporo simikona ke wala hina sasa. Discover here your true power. Activate. Remember. Nyawake sa. Shimi wahena malakete antiasa tosune parosa. Miakwaya makwa masa tosuko. Shiko niya kera seta. Etuna palomauru kuteshe. Sekoresemo alakera sato. Shunka yambarandera sayo maru. Eturise koranisaniwa.